Will I not be hurt again as the first serve is long from Jarrell Singh.
Pero bang welcome home?
Oh, gandang name. Genesis, the start.
Oh, that was a nice set.
And a familiar move. And parang 2025 is not to say nagagalit si Coach Roger. Permanente ng galit yan. Normal na ho yan. Yung kilay na yun, normal na ho yan.
Kilala mo si Coach Roger.
Oo, kayo pa noon.
I know. Wow.
Block of the set brought to you by East West Bank, the official bank of the PBL All-Filipino Conference. We'll talk about Coach Roger when we return. I think we've arrived at the first technical break. It will be much better down the road. Pag hindi pa siya tumatama, her confidence is shot. Tolenada sets this up. That is rejected. We have a call.
That touch from Capital One.
Kalain mo, no, ha? But it was scary nung
that's scary.
at the moment when it happened.
Oh, scary magkabanggaan.
Siyempre. Lalo na dyan sinet. Ito si Singh gagawa ng paraan.
Free ball.
Pinataas. Alaysa in the back row. Negrito. Panaga. Parang pinalalambot mo so that they can do what they want to do as Singh handles this. Tolenada. Singh fires. Gets the corner.
Corner. No one there for Creamline. Over the block of Panaga. Corner.
Yep.
Super.
To beat Creamline, you have to bring your A game. Give them a few surprises to think about, really.
Immaculate nga sila.
Oo, sobra.
Diba?
Sobra. In the meantime, it's a check ball. A couple of undefeated seasons. In the past, that is in the corner as Doromal and Genesis looked at each other.
You know, recover ka, mag-therapy ka, mag-workout ka. Pero when it's game time, iba rin talaga.
Good point. Kasi yung you hesitate, yung approach mo, is it the same? It's different in practice, eh.
Yes.
In the meantime, Pons is parang libero. Carlos.
Yun nga yung isa sa mga weakness nila, yung they have to really convert their attacks to points.
Yes. And it just can't be all attacks. But Alyssa Valdez, as the spike of the set is brought to you by Duncan. Pasalubong ng bike.
She was a high school, skinny, lanky kid. Alam mo yan, hindi pa siya ganyan na phenom.
Okay.
Yeah. 11, that format for qualifying round. We will have that, and whoever wins the qualifying round will go into the quarterfinals. But don't worry, yung mga natalo sa qualifying round, we have the play-in tournament.
Are also seated. This is an overall coach's decision. Coach Roger is trying something new and also posing a challenge to the rest of the Polar Spikers in terms of point contribution. Let's see the surprises Capital One has for us. Like what they said, new year, new team, back to set one.
Dati yung explosiveness nung first two niya, nakita mo agad eh. Pons. So that's a wicked shot. Players. At siguro ang sarap na team. Naging team. Nag-aabot ba kayo niya?
Yes, roommates kami.
Gulo siguro niya. Okay ba? I have to know pala my boundaries. Okay.
Back to the game.
Back to the game. Sige, bulong mo na lang mamaya. In the meantime, Panaga gets some action going.
Actually, 6th Best Blocker Award already.
Naku, regalo.
Ayun.
Hindi na Pasko, New Year na, no? Dali pa yun, upakan ka agad dyan. Doesn't happen all the time. Tolenada sets up Genesis. Rather awkward, but they get it through. Negrito, Carlos. Nice dive to the floor. Genesis resets and nowhere to go. We're done.
Yes.
Nga pala.
Si Creamline, Grand Slam champion and everything.
Yes.
So, diba, makita mo naman din yung
difference.
Lamang din talaga ni Creamline. Pero I'm hoping that Capital One will really challenge this team, diba? Pahirapan naman nila.
Why not? Galanza, by the way, is on the floor and she scores right away.
Yung growth niya nangyari nung nag-AVC and Grand Prix, yung Creamline team. Kasi Alyssa was out there and siya talaga inaasahan naging scorer ng team.
In the meantime, each player has a...
Ang kanilang momentum, it was a pivotal change in mindset because of their last game last year in Cebu. Since the start of the year, she noticed a heightened sense of urgency from every single Solar Spiker. Players began arriving at training an hour early, proactively working on their skills by analyzing lapses from their previous games.
Coming into training way earlier than expected. Nice set.
Gumabaw on corks. Here's Tolenada setting up Genesis. She's checked at the net.
In front of you, what can you do? Wow, gumabaw.
Block of the set brought to you by East West Bank, the official bank.
Merienda, kape muna tayo.
Oh, sige.
Zeus Coffee muna tayo.
Sige, dadalang kita next time.
Thanks.
Sing! Down the middle, open hole.
Hole in the block between Negrito and De Leon.
Yung naghahanap ng mga iskinitang dadaanan na hindi mo akalain buhay pala yung iskinitang. Turn right on Altura. Ano? Okay. In the meantime, here we go. Negrito. Well done! Oh, look at Bea and her reaction.
That was a powerful.
Galanza just entering the second set, has 4 points already. Oh boy. Genesis, 6-point lead by Creamline.
Ooh.
Oh, you were saying?
I like that set.
You were saying?
That was a fast set and para ma-activate yung middle blockers
So
nila.
makadiskarte tayo.
Yes.
Para may mangyari sa ate.
Oo.
Set by Buenafe. Stretching downstairs is Vargas.
Another one.
Oh, kept in play. Galanza hammered downstairs by De Leon. Orendain foiled. Makatuno sets. And the fourth longest rally in progress right now. To the... Oh, still reached for. We're still alive. Nobody wants to blink here. Orendain!
Kyla Atienza couldn't get it. Wala. Clean girl aesthetic.
Cruz, yes.
Galanza just blocking her. She's taller than Gemma Galanza.
And she's serving right now. Tienza, Buenafe. Oh, and that's a delicious moment.
Del has been very efficient in her attacks. Pag binigyan siya ng bola, sure na makakapunto siya.
Here comes Patty Orendain, down by 5 as of the moment. Buenafe reverses. Mandapat says, don't come back.
Free ball.
Yep. Set. Bernardo jumps. It's a fake. And leaped forward or kept in play by Cruz. That's a good stretch by Doromal downstairs. Back row. Good reach. Another long rally. Galanza. Orendain. Genesis. Nobody wants to give in here.
Wow, good save.
Yep, we're still in play. Genesis. Buenafe. Cruz. Kung sino hindi makakuha ng puntos dito, bagsak balikat to.
Sorry. Nakapasigaw na ako dito.
Yes, I noticed. In the meantime, standing spike in the air. Palo. Boy, this is a lead, the longest. Oh, double contact, and it's so depressing that it has to end that way. Alam mo, pag ganun kahabang rally, walang humihinga actually.
Ako rin, di ako huminga, napasigaw pa ako. Sorry,
Napasigaw pa.
guys.
It's okay.
Intense.
Oh, that's close to the net. Buenafe missing the net barely. Genesis.
Another one.
Galanza will blast. Why not? Namorciento.
Yes.
Mandapat and Buenafe have done their job. And so Negrito, as well as Gumabaw, report back in. Babalik ka. Pag bumalik ka, gayahin mo yan, ha? Ganun lang, oh. Orendain. Natawa. Gumabaw. And we are done with the second set. And our second set score, when she was on the floor.
Makatuno is still there for Capital One.
And
Starting.
Ginising yung libero. That's the way to do it. Alam mo sa training, madidinig mo yun eh. Pag sunod-sunod maganda yung palo, yung tunog eh. Pachata, pata, pata, saka. Walang gustong humumpay. In the meantime, second point by Creamline already on the board. Block of the set. Hatid sa inyo ng East West Bank.
Be a student of the sport. Everything she's achieved so far is something she's grateful for. But this year, she's ready to break it all down, starting from square one to reinvent herself. For Michelle Gumabaw naman, it's about building a stronger physique and prioritizing recovery.
Saka alam mo sa volleyball, you notice, pag nag-umpisa ka, puro error, parang hawa-hawa na.
Yes.
Tuloy-tuloy na hanggang dulo.
Ang hirap bumawi.
Oh. Well, let's see what this will bear.
Oh!
Oh! hello.
Estrella.
Yeah, nice name, no? Oh, Valdez, familiar move. Makatuno.
Single
Yeah, well done.
Yes.
Estrella.
back-to-back point for Estrella there. Didn't see floor touch nga. Yes.
In the next play.
Yes.
Uh-oh. Rivera. It becomes a free
Free ball.
ball. That is punched through, but kept in play by
Another-
Estrella. Yes. Thoughts? Valdez
Wow.
is blocked.
Triple block.
She'll get it back. Valdez. No. Still in play. Blocked. Another long exchange. Galanza. It's Valdez. And it's down and out finally.
Nakita niyo nung first attempt niya, triple block, and in this final play,
Oh, yes,
drop
triple block.
ball na lang. Yes.
Rivera tried her earnest best and to send your entries. Hello. Oh, well done.
Wow, how did she do that? She was facing the cross court.
8 points. Ay, nalunod. Si Rigos. Oh, nalunod din si Beth sa floor. Nag-matrix.
Reaction time na lang.
Nag-matrix. Oh! Tina-target si Bea. And in play. Be getting prolific here. Since coming in, Orandain has gotten some offense, though she has registered only 2 points. Carlos stretches for it. Galanza. Rivera stretching on the floor. Orandain. This is a mishit. Makatuno tells Estrella, go for it. Tight at the net. Problematic. Galanza.
Nice block.
Atienza. Bernardo hammers it. Bernardo says, give it back to me. Genesis. Makatuno. Galanza says, let's try this. Estrella scampers. Genesis. Carlos.
Oh, single block.
Oh, yes, sir. Storm signal number 3. Punta na tayo sa taguan. In the meantime. One more time. Galanza hits 2 in a row. Gesturing emphatically along the sideline. Oh, boy. That's short. Galanza was frozen in that last play. Under pressure.
Under duress.
Diba? Ito gagawin
Yes.
natin. This, it's time to switch it on. In the meantime, I think that's in. But,
Yes. Tough love din.
oh, tough love.
Wow.
Thoughts reaches. Alyssa denied. Family who says, everything's okay. Akong bahala sa inyo. And he's done a marvelous job with his team.
Coach of the year.
Yes, indeed. In the meantime, Rivera. Oh, well done. Estrella has had a good third set, actually. Estrella may have touched it last. Anyway. Parang feeling naman siya, wag na natin patagalin. Oh, I think she got the point in a different way.
And now they have a full front line for Capital One.
And a prolific front line of that. Gumabao tries to hammer that through. Here comes Orinda in. It's airborne. Okay,
Nice
Sumigaw. May not get the same playing time in the next couple of games, huh? But they're ready whenever you want them,
Yes.
this Creamline lineup.
Ang ganda ng balasa ni Coach
Actually.
Sherwin.
In the meantime, that's denied, and that'll do it. Straight sets win by the Creamline side.